how to create the PayPal payment link or button. So it's pretty simple. Open your PayPal business account and click on Pay and Get Paid. And here on the right in Accept Payment section, find the Create Payment Links and Buttons. Now you can build your payment links and buttons simply in Product section. Choose if you want the payment link and QR code or the payment button. I'm gonna choose payment link and QR code. Type here the item name, for example, donate, and enter here the description of the item. It's optional. Now you want to set the price. You can choose if it's the one set price or customer set price. So if you set the one set price, you can enter here the price and choose the currency of the payment. Here you can also turn on the quantity option to let customers buy multiple items at once, and also enter here your images. Now simply click on checkout, and here you can set the shipping fee for this item including free shipping, and also set the tax rate for this item. On the right you have also the preview of this payment. It will look like this. You can open settings here, choose the payment methods if you want to allow the Apple Pay. Down here you can show your business name, show your business logo, and enter here your web page address if you want to. In the upper section, click on stacked buttons and you can choose the style of them. So if you want to vertical or horizontal, you can choose the shape, pill or the rectangle, and you can also select the size of the buttons. So it's up to you. Choose the button color. I prefer the yellow one. In this preview you can also select the desktop preview or the phone preview, and you can change also this checkout. You can select here pay, proceed or the custom. So now if you are set up, click on save, and now you can go back to saved links and buttons, and now click on build it. So now the payment link was successfully created. Here is the link. You can copy this. If you click here, you can copy the QR code. You can download it. In this section is the HTML section. You can copy this and put it to your website's head, and also put this to the body of your website. So you can simply copy it here. And also if you want to single button, you can copy this and put it to your body of your website. So it's that simple. If you want to edit it, you can simply do it here. You can change the price, etc. And if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing, and see you next time.